Hi, hello, friends, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope all are safe at home because all the parents are taking care of you. That is a big guarantee that your parents will protect you from all the diseases and etc. 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 Hearty welcome to all the students who have promoted without writing your examinations this academic year. This is a world record due to some of your uh, things, that is what has happened or what is going to happen or what is happening. Everything is for good. So you are promoted being a student. There is some calculation taken into your mind and they have given you that promotion has to be given to the student with a higher rank. So you're all welcome to 6th standard after studying your 5th standard basics. So this year also I'm going to take computer science to you all people. So here let me go on to the topic. So you saw the content, you saw who's the author, what is the textbook that you are using, which month portion it is, everything you have seen. I need not eat your head by telling all such things. Now let me go to the introduction. What is introduction? The topic which has to be introduced to your people, right? I should tell you what is the topic or what is the thing in that. So let me go to the first topic that you have. It is operating system. There is a two words which is called operating and system. Operating means what? Doing some work. System means it is in a systematic way of doing a work, right? Operating means it is a work to be done. Operating, doing some work. Then system, so it should be in a systematic. After this work you have to finish this work, then you go to the next thing. This is operating system. And so the definition goes like this. An operating system is a system software which manages your overall activities of your system. For example, if I need to tell what, or if I need to explain what is operating system, it is like a principal or a chairman of an institution. Chairman is who? He is the root of the school and he has to take care of all the departments. Van department, fees department, teaching, non-teaching faculties, then housekeeping, books department, everything he operates. He is the main source of our, pillar of our school. So it is like he is measured or he has been taken equally as operating system. He is a system. He is a software which he will manage the overall activities. So like that, operating system is in a system software. Then again, what is the confusion? System and software. System software. So system software is a huge topic which you learn. This thing you learn. System is the system which needs a software to work on with all the apps, like how you use your app. If you take it on Android, you use your apps, you are then Google Drives, everything. That's all called system softwares, which will manage your activities of a computer. What all activities you do, all the activities whichever you perform in a system, playing game, working on Word document, working on Excel documents, everything it will take care. Then what are the next topic that you have? Yes, see this diagram clearly, you will come to know what is operating system. Operating system, it includes application, it includes monitors, it includes keyboard and mouse, printers, hard disk, everything combined together, which forms an operating system. Without monitor, you cannot work on the system. Without keyboard or input devices, we call what is input, keyboard and mouse is input and output devices. Hard disk is for your storage. Printer is optional, but few things when you want to take it out, print the hard copy, you need application. Let me come to application like Microsoft Office, then Windows Media Player, then all these things are called application. Do you understand? Without all these things put that, I said no, let me correlate with an example of the chairman. Chairman is an operating system, like how you need students is a monitors, keyboard and mouse is like a teachers, non-teaching staffs, everything, then printers, then everything together combined, we call it as operating system. Did you understand? Yes. Now let me see the examples for this. Examples of what? You are familiar with all these figures, I believe. The first one with a plus shape, and you have a square or rectangular type, that is called as, yes, exactly, Windows. And the Apple, Mac. So these all are the operating systems which we are using now. Yes, now let me go on to the Windows. Windows is nothing. Windows, So here is a different version which I have shown you: Windows 1, Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and currently we are using Windows 10. Windows is an operating system. It was developed by Microsoft. And it was launched on 2009, 22nd October. So we are going to the main topic. Main topic is this includes with working with Windows 7. In Windows 7, what all you have, what is the feature is embedded in Windows 7. All these things we are going to see in Windows 7. The main topic what we are going to see is Windows 7. Before moving on to Windows 7, we need to know what is Windows 7 and what is this named. So just we have given a brief about operating system, because operating system is a very big, huge chapter. Yes. Now, yes, as I told you, Windows 7 is an operating system. It was developed by Microsoft and released on 22nd October 2009. The latest version what we have told is Windows 10. So this is what I explained previously before. So this is an exact definition or statement I can give you about Windows 7. So this I wanted to show you in the board. So I have shown you this. Now, the next topic is we need to know what all you need in the Windows 7, or what all the features is present in Windows 7. This is the main feature of Windows 7, that is your taskbar. Taskbar, yes. What do you mean by taskbar? If I tell you, people will just blink. Yes, see this diagram, what I have shown you, maybe the figure what I have shown you. Have you seen this? Yes, now it is glimpsed into your mind that, okay, this is what called taskbar. Now let me see the different figures used in Windows 7, Windows 10, Mac, everything. Let me see all the same, but only the appearance. Now see how a classroom, let me take taskbar as a classroom is all the students, but each student will have each one quality, right? So like that, Windows 7 appearance will be this, Windows 10, Mac, everything will be different. Now let me show you one by one what it will be present. Yes, this is my desktop. In the desktop I have, see the bottom what are I'm doing it now, that is called a desktop. So let me see this. This is the desktop which I have. Yes. Now this is my taskbar. Now if I place my cursor over there, I can see start, then Windows Explorer, Windows Media Player, then Mozilla Firefox, all these things. So I have this programs what I'm currently running. This is my converting what I'm recording my videos, and this is the program which I'm running behind my screen. This is my PowerPoint which I'm playing now. All these things taskbar. The feature of taskbar is it has a current running program, and this is a desktop. All the things which I'm having in the desktop, it will be shown. And this is the hidden icons. Then this is your volume button, which is increase. You can increase and decrease, and that is a notification which you have. The next symbol is called notification, and yes. Now let me see the feature of your Windows. That is your taskbar. There are three options. That is, you can pin, unpin, or pin. Pin means what? It can be stuck in the taskbar. It can be stuck out the taskbar. So this is the default features which you have, like start button, Windows Explorer, then Mozilla Firefox. All these things are default. It will be present itself. See the pinned option. If you right click on this, if you place it and right click on this, you will see the current running program. Yes, this is about the taskbar. The next thing we are going to see about the libraries. What is libraries? Yes, the collection of books is present in a library. This is a general definition. Collection of books, maybe any books, like different type of books may be there, different type of topics may be there, different type of department can be there. Like that, the library is also contained here in the system. Also see libraries, the heading libraries. Then in that apps I have, then documents, music, pictures, and videos. So here the four things are default. Which is the four things? Videos, pictures, musics, and documents. Documents, what it contains, all the files which have been created in the system, or whichever I have been posted in the system, it will be there. Default, if you give a particular place or location to be stored, then the documents will be stored in a particular location, or else blindly you save as or somewhere, then all the saved which is present will be present at the document. Then music, as I know, if I have a music player, I have list of playlist. So all the playlists will be in the musics. As usual, pictures and videos. Pictures is whatever I capture it through my cameras, it will be present here, and my videos. So it segregates, it's each department will segregate its own thing: document, videos, music and pictures. Defaultly it will be stored in its own location according to the file name or extension name what you give. Yes, now let me play a video where I can show you how exactly the libraries can be handled, or it can be changed. This is my taskbar. I'm going to my start button. Once you click my start button, I'm going to my computer. Then the right hand side I have organize, system properties. See there, organize below the things you have desktop, libraries, apps, document, music, pictures and video. What all I said, no, it is present in the left hand side of your screen. Yes, organize. See that black button, what I guess, subfolders. They're all subfolders. So desktops, libraries. So what I'll do now, let me go on through the things. Libraries. So if I click on the libraries, I get apps, documents, music, pictures and videos. Is it not? Now one by one, let me see on how this works. So this is all my videos. So what all the videos I have said, it is in the folder called video. See that extension. Now let me go to the documents. See all my documents, that is PDF or what all the documents I saved, everything is present in this document. You can save anywhere else also. Let me go to the music. Music, see the playlist is there, sample music is there, then 2 musics I have added to that. Then pictures. So all the capture, what all I captured my pictures through my cameras, it is present in the folder called pictures. Defaultly it will be present. If you give the default or if you don't give, it will be present in the default pictures. The next topic is Windows Media Player. This is the one most thing everybody know. Play music means you operate it and you play with the Windows Media Player. Now let me see what is Windows Media Player. So this is a figure which is giving you Windows Media Player. See the heading tells you Windows Media Player, what all it requires. And the next picture, this is the same picture but the representation will be a little different. See, both the apps are both the feature is a Windows Media Player itself. Only thing is the representation, the show off will be different. Yes, now let me see you how to tackle a Windows Media Player. See on the taskbar, it is a default feature is called Windows Media Player. When you click on that, you will get this icon or this launcher. When you get this launcher, the music will be there, all musics will be there, play will be there. You can burn a CD, you can synchronize. See when I give a play, all this playlist, what all the playlist is there, everything will be present. Right hand side you can see that it is organized, that is what is the folder's name, under subfolder what you have, everything. So can you see on the left bottom right? Yes, once you click on that, this appearance will be there. So you can play all the musics, you can go back to the library or you can play. See, I'm playing my music, I can forward everything. Windows Media Player. So it access ACC, Advanced Audio Coding. We have ACC called Advanced Audio Coding. So this is about your Windows Media Player. Now let me go on to the working. Yes, this is most important thing which you can do or which you wanted to do. Now suppose you've been playing, one side you have internet facilities, you will be browsing FB, you wanted to play some games. So what you need to do, you have 3 type of windows. In your desktop, on your laptop, anywhere you do, you have 3 type of windows. What are the 3 type of windows? First one is cascade window, not the window which is present at a school or a home or anywhere. It is cascade window in your Windows. Then how? Yes, cascade means what? Let me tell you. Cascade. Yes. See, one behind the other. I have 2 options. One is Paint and one is my PowerPoint presentation. So the PowerPoint presentation is the maximum which I'm using the front. That is in the preference. First preference I've given to that. Since I was using that. Okay, so Paint is alternative app which is running behind. So when I give one cascade window, the first screen, the which one I'm working with, it will be in the front, and the next screen will be that apps which is running behind the screen will be in the next. So it is behind. Cascade means one behind the other, one behind the other. If you have hundreds of application opened in the taskbar, it will be present one behind the other. And let me go to the next screen, that is Windows. Show window side by side. The word only tells you side by side. Then let me see that example. See, same application. One is my PowerPoint presentation and one is my recording screen. Once I have both the things, but it will be adjustable to it. If you have 4 more also, it is adjustable. You can see the content from one thing and you can copy to the other thing. It is not that you minimize, you maximize, you see the content, I forgot, nothing can be done. Here you can equally, or you can work on with the both the systems. Yes, show window stack. This is the third one. It is called show window stack. Show window stack is nothing but, see, one below the other, one below the same program, one below the other. The programs will be running one below the other. This is all about the working with multiples. Let me show you exactly how it's working and how you can work on it. Yes, now let me go on. This is my Windows and this is my screen. I'm working with my PowerPoint presentation. I need 2-3 slides or 2-3 running program to be up. That is my recording as well as my PowerPoint presentation. I need to mingle up with them. So I'll right click on the taskbar. There are 3 things: cascade, show window stack, show window side by side. There are 3 things. Can you see this? Yes, these are the 3 options. So if you right click on that, you get these 3 options on the taskbar. Especially you have to click it on the taskbar itself. Now see, I cascaded a window. Once I cascaded a window, I'm getting the slides. Yes or no? Once I cascade. Now let me go on to this is what? Yes, this is show window stacked. See, one below the other it is. Now this is show window side by side. So this also I have and this also I have. Yes or no? I can undo also. See, it is an option called undo show side by side. So when I undo, it goes back to what position it had. Then again I need to go on with what position. Now let me look on it. This is all about your Windows, working in multiple windows. And I think this is enough for today. We will be continuing in the next session. I hope you stay home safely, eat well, drink, hand wash, all these things, etc, etc, etc. It is your Kiran Kumar signing off for today's, and let me hope that we continue with the next session's class. Thank you.